Hello everyone, Tony Madonia here, and I want to say a few words about the 2026 tax filing season. First of all, thank you for being a client here. We really appreciate your patronage. We couldn't have built this firm without loyal clients like you. We look forward to serving you and thank you very much. Many things are done the way that they were done last year. If you're a new client here, I just want to go through it in some detail. You're going to get a link from at our firm, and the link is going to take you to an electronic organizer that has some information from last year's tax filing. So it'll show name, address, social security number. It'll show what W-2s you got, your investment statements, your interest statements. That will prompt you to enter this year's information. And there's a place where you can upload documents so that we can take a look at them and make sure that things are reported accurately. It asks you a series of questions. Did you buy any cryptocurrency? Do you have foreign bank accounts? A number of questions like that. And then all the way at the end, there's a button that says, I'm done. When you hit I'm done, that's when we get notice that everything you expect to upload is in there. If you go through all those questions and you don't hit I'm done, we don't know that you've completed it, and we don't start working on it on our side until you've done that. So please be sure to hit the I'm done button. Once that happens, we then go about preparing the return on our side. We may call you, ask you for some clarification, ask you for some additional information. If there's a good way to contact you, please let us know that ahead of time, and we'll abide by that. We prepare the return, we review the return in-house, then we send the tax return to you along with an electronic authorization and our invoice. Please take a look at the tax return, make sure that it's accurate, make sure that it includes all you expected it to include before you sign the e-file authorization. Because once that e-file authorization is signed, we then go ahead and e-file the tax return. If you look at it a few days later and realize that we missed something, then we have to file an amended tax return. We'd really rather not do that. So please take a close look at it, make sure that it's accurate before you the authorization for us. We'll also include our invoice. We ask that you pay that along with the e-signature authorization. That lets us eliminate a whole layer of administrative work here, especially during a time of year that's really, really busy. As far as payments to or from the IRS, we will not be submitting checks. We will not be asking for checks for refunds. All that's done electronically now. The IRS is really trying to move away from that. We've had lots of problems in the past with reconciling estimated payments. If you owe money, it's going to be taken from your bank account. If you have estimated payments, those will be made electronically. And if the IRS has a refund coming, that will be electronic also, so that we don't have checks going back and forth to or from the IRS. We spent a lot of time learning about the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, the new tax act that was signed July 4th of last year. Lots of changes. Some of those changes we don't even have forms for yet. We expect to shortly, but lots of different things to do this year. We will make sure that we prepare returns to make the greatest use of all the benefits that are in that bill. That's all I have. I welcome your thoughts and comments, ways that we can make this client experience better or easier for you. Once again, thank you for letting us work with you, and we look forward to a great tax season. Bye-bye.